Imagine you are the site engineer. You need to cast a slab of 10 cubic meters. How many bags of cement do you order? 50, 80, 100. If you order too less, the work stops. If you order too much, you waste money and storage space. Today, I will teach you the exact calculation to find the number of cement bags for 1 cubic meter of concrete. And the secret lies in one magic number, 1.53. Let's get started. The biggest mistake students make is assuming 1 cubic meter of wet concrete equals 1 cubic meter of dry ingredients. It does not. Think about it. Dry sand and aggregate have lots of air voids between them. When you add water and mix them, the cement and water fill those gaps and the sand fills the gaps in the aggregate. The mixture shrinks. To get 1 cubic meter of finished, wet concrete, we actually need 53% more dry material. So, our calculation starts with wet volume equals 1.53 times dry volume. Let's calculate for M20 grade concrete, which is standard for slabs and beams. The ratio is 1:1.5:3, 1 part cement, 1.5 parts sand fine aggregate, 3 parts aggregate coarse aggregate. Step 1. Find total parts. 1 plus 1.5 plus 3 equals 5.5. Step 2. Calculate volume of cement. We need 1 part of cement out of 5.5 total parts, for a total dry volume of 1.53. Volume equals 1 divided by 5.5 multiplied by 1.53. Therefore, volume equals 0.28 cubic meter. So we need 0.28 cubic meter of cement powder. But we don't buy cement in cubic meters, we buy it in bags or kilograms. We know the standard density of cement is 1,440 kg per cubic meter. Step 3. Calculate weight. Weight equals volume multiplied by density. Weight equals 0.28 multiplied by 1,440 equals 403.2 kg. Step 4. Convert to bags. 1 standard bag is 50 kg. Number of bags equals 403.2 divided by 50 equals 8.064. So, for practical purposes, we need roughly 8 bags of cement for 1 cubic meter of M20 concrete. Here is a quick cheat sheet for other grades. Notice how as the grade goes up M15 to M25, the cement quantity increases drastically. Pro tip: always add about 2% to 5% extra for wastage on site spillage torn bags. So if the math says 8 bags, plan for a little buffer. Now you know exactly what to order. So that's all about today's topic. I hope this video helped you understand it clearly. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Civil Engineering Topics for more civil engineering concepts explained in a simple way. Drop your doubts or suggestions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep building.